You can lose weight effortlessly with a secret tea used by people in a tiny Costa Rican village. Want to know how? This isn't just any drink, it's all-day slimming tea, and what I'm about to uncover might totally transform your weight loss journey. Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, more energized, and sleeping better at night, all with a simple cup of tea. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me to find out why this could be the game changer you've been looking for. But first, let's talk about the real struggle behind losing weight. Losing weight is something millions of people struggle with every single day, and it's not hard to see why. You've probably been there, trying one weight loss diet after another, counting every calorie, or dragging yourself to the gym only to see the scale barely budge. It's like trying to empty a giant bucket of water with a tiny spoon. It's slow, frustrating, and sometimes you just want to give up. Maybe you've skipped meals, thinking that'll help you lose weight, but ended up so hungry you raided the fridge at midnight. Or perhaps you've tried those intense workout plans, the ones that promise a weight loss transformation in a week, but after a few days, you're too sore to even climb the stairs. It's a cycle that leaves you feeling stuck, like you're running in place, never getting closer to your goal. That frustration is real, especially if you've looked into how to lose weight without dieting or explored weight loss tips online, only to find advice that doesn't fit your life. That's where all-day slimming tea steps in, promising to boost your metabolism and help you shed pounds naturally, inspired by the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, where people live past 100 thanks to their healthy habits. But does it really deliver? Or is it just another overhyped product? Let's dive deeper and explore what this tea is all about. Now let's take a closer look at all-day slimming tea and why it's creating such a buzz. This isn't your average cup of tea you'd grab at the grocery store. It's a two-part system designed to support your weight loss journey around the clock. You've got the morning tea, which is meant to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and get your metabolism firing. And then there's the evening tea, which focuses on detoxing your body and helping you wind down for a better night's sleep. The makers say it's inspired by a traditional recipe from the Nicoya Peninsula, a place in Costa Rica known for its long-living people who often reach 100 years old or more. They credit their health to natural habits like drinking herbal teas, eating fresh foods, and staying active, habits that align with an Indian weight loss diet or a weight loss diet naturally. So the idea behind all-day slimming tea is to bring a piece of that longevity secret to you wherever you are in a way that fits into your busy life. Think of it like borrowing a recipe from your healthiest, oldest neighbor who always seems to have a spring in their step. You'd want to know what they're doing, right? The evening tea, on the other hand, is more about calming you down and cleaning you out. It has ingredients like sine leaves, which act as a natural laxative to help detox, and licorice root, which some say helps with bloating. There's also peppermint, fennel, cinnamon bark, more dandelion, and a touch of honey and lemon flavor to make it taste good. Picture it like a warm hug at the end of the day. It's meant to help you relax, reduce bloating, and get a deeper sleep so you wake up refreshed, supporting your weight loss diet plan. But it's not just about the ingredients. It's about what people say this tea does for their weight loss journey. I've read through tons of reviews and the stories are pretty eye-opening. Some people say they've lost 10 pounds in just a few weeks, feeling lighter and more focused during the day. One woman shared that she used to struggle with afternoon crashes, where she'd feel so tired she'd need a nap, but after starting the morning tea, she felt like she could power through her day without reaching for sugary snacks. Great advice for how to lose weight without dieting. Another person mentioned how the evening tea helped them sleep better after years of tossing and turning. They said it was like finally finding the off switch for their brain at night. But it's not all perfect. Some users have reported side effects like mild diarrhea or stomach cramps, especially because of the sene in the evening tea. Sene is a natural laxative, which means it can help clean out your system, but if your body isn't used to it, it might hit you harder than expected. It's a bit like using a strong cleaner on a delicate surface. It works great for some, but others need to go easy at first. So while the ingredients sound promising, and some people are seeing results on their weight loss transformation, there's definitely more to the story. Let's keep digging to see what else we can uncover. Now, let's get to the big moment. The truth behind the bold claims this tea makes for those on an Indian weight loss course by Richa or any weight loss diet plan. The makers of all-day slimming tea say it can boost your metabolism by a whopping 51%, which means your body could burn fat faster even when you're just sitting around, helping you lose weight naturally. They also claim some people have lost up to 45 pounds using it, which is a massive number for a weight loss journey. To put that in perspective, 45 pounds is like carrying around a big bag of dog food all day and then finally putting it down. You'd feel so much lighter, right? They even say it can increase your energy by 63%, making you feel more awake and focused, and that the evening tea can help you sleep deeper, which is key because good sleep actually supports weight loss diets. They back all this up with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try it, and if it doesn't work for you, you can get your money back, even if you've used it all. That's a pretty big promise, and it makes you wonder if this tea really has the power to change lives, much like a shocking beauty hack might inspire a new routine. But here's where things get real. Let's look at what actual users are saying, because promises are one thing, but results on a weight loss transformation are what matter. I dug into reviews from people who've tried all-day slimming tea, and the feedback is a mixed bag, which is honestly what you'd expect with any product like this. On one hand, there are people who absolutely love it. One woman said she lost 15 pounds in a month and she felt more energized than she had in years. She even started walking every morning because she finally had the energy to get moving, a solid weight loss tip. Another person mentioned how their bloating went down after just a few days of using the evening tea, saying it was like letting the air out of a balloon. They could finally button their jeans without sucking in their stomach. Someone else shared that they'd struggled with sugar cravings for years, but after drinking the morning tea, they noticed they weren't reaching for candy as much, which helped them stick to an Indian weight loss diet by Richa. These stories are exciting because they show that for some people this tea might really be a helpful tool in their weight loss journey. On the other hand, not everyone's experience is a win. Some people said they didn't lose any weight at all, even after using it for a full month on their weight loss diet plan for women in Telugu or other plans. One person complained that they followed the instructions, drinking the morning tea with breakfast and the evening tea before bed. But the scale didn't move, and they didn't feel any different. They wondered if they needed to change their diet more, or if the tea just wasn't strong enough for them, perhaps missing out on an Indian weight loss diet. Another user mentioned the side effects I talked about earlier, like diarrhea from the sene, saying it made them feel uncomfortable and bloated instead of better. They compared it to eating too many prunes. You might get a clean out, but it's not always pleasant. So, what does this all mean? It's a bit like playing the lottery. Some people hit the jackpot and lose a ton of weight, while others don't see much change. The difference often comes down to your body, your habits, and how you use the tea. If you're expecting it to do all the work while you keep eating pizza and skipping exercise, you might be disappointed. But if you pair it with healthier choices, like drinking more water, eating more fruits and veggies, and moving your body a little more each day, it could give you that extra push you need, aligning with Weight Loss Course by Richa Principles. Let's talk about another angle, the demand for this tea and how it's marketed. All-day slimming tea is sold through ClickBank, which is a platform that connects product creators with affiliates like me who promote them. One thing you'll notice right away when you visit their official site is the urgency they create. They're always saying things like low stock or selling out fast, which makes you feel like you need to grab it now before it's gone to support your weight loss diet. It's a smart marketing move. It's like when a store puts up a last chance sign during a sale and suddenly everyone rushes to buy. They also throw in bonuses to sweeten the deal, like free ebooks on diet tips or anti-aging secrets if you buy a bigger package, like the 3-month or 6-month supply, which could complement an Indian weight loss diet plan by Richa. Speaking of packages, the pricing is something to consider. A 1-month supply costs about $69, which isn't cheap, but if you go for the 6-month deal, you can save up to $300, making it more affordable in the long run for your weight loss transformation. Plus, with that 60-day guarantee, you're not taking a huge risk. If it doesn't work, you can send it back, even if the box is empty. That kind of safety net makes it more tempting to try, especially if you're curious about whether it'll work for you on your weight loss journey. Another thing worth mentioning is how this tea fits into your daily routine, especially if you're following weight loss tips or an Indian weight loss course by Richa. It's pretty simple to use, which is a big plus for anyone with a busy life. You just brew the morning tea with hot water, takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and drink it with your breakfast or right after you wake up. It's got a light, refreshing taste with a hint of mint and lemon, so it's not hard to sip down, fitting into a weight loss diet naturally. The evening tea is the same. Brew it, drink it about an hour before bed, and let it help you unwind. The whole process feels like a little ritual, like making a cup of coffee in the morning to start your day, or having a warm drink at night to relax, supporting how to lose weight without dieting. But here's a tip. If you're sensitive to laxatives, start slow with the evening tea. Maybe try half a cup at first to see how your body reacts, because the sene can be strong for some people. It's like testing a new recipe. You don't want to dive in with a huge portion until you know how it'll sit with you, especially on an Indian weight loss diet. Let's circle back to the bigger picture for a moment. All-day slimming tea isn't just about losing weight, it's about feeling better overall, which is a key part of any weight loss transformation. The makers talk about how it can rejuvenate your body, like giving your cells a little tune-up so they work better, aligning with weight loss diet Indian principles. They say it can help with things like digestion, energy, and even stress, because when you sleep better and feel lighter, you're not as frazzled during the day. That's a big deal because stress can make weight loss even harder. It's like trying to solve a puzzle while someone's shaking the table. So even if you don't lose 45 pounds, you might still notice benefits, like less bloating or more energy to tackle your day. Much like a shocking beauty hack might inspire confidence. One user shared that they didn't lose much weight, but they felt less sluggish and more motivated to get outside and move, which eventually helped them drop a few pounds on their weight loss diet plan for women in Telugu. Sometimes it's those small wins that add up over time, like saving a little money each day until you've got enough for something big. You can lose weight effortlessly with a secret tea used by people in a tiny Costa Rican village. Want to know how? This isn't just any drink, it's all-day slimming tea, and what I'm about to uncover might totally transform your weight loss journey. Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, more energized, and sleeping better at night, all with a simple cup of tea. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me to find out why this could be the game changer you've been looking for. But first, let's talk about the real struggle behind losing weight. And as I mentioned earlier, the feedback is mixed. Some people swear by it, saying it's the best thing they've ever tried for losing weight, while others feel like they wasted their money on an Indian weight loss by Richa alternative. It's a reminder that no product works the same for everyone. Just like how some people love spicy food, but others can't handle the heat. Your results will depend on your body, your lifestyle, and how you use the tea, whether you're on a weight loss course by Richa or another plan. One last thing before we wrap up this chapter. Let's talk about who this tea is really for. If you're someone who's tried everything and still can't seem to lose weight, this might be worth a shot, especially with the money-back guarantee fitting into your weight loss diet plan. It could be that extra boost you need to get back on track, like a jump start for a car that's been sitting too long. But if you're looking for a quick fix, something that'll let you lose weight without changing anything else in your life, you might want to adjust your expectations, even with an Indian weight loss diet by Richa. This tea works best when you pair it with healthier habits, like drinking more water, eating more fruits and veggies, and moving your body a little more each day, aligning with weight loss tips. It's not a magic potion. It's more like a teammate that helps you cross the finish line, but you still have to run the race. And if you have any health conditions, like stomach issues, or if you're on medication, definitely check with your doctor first, because some ingredients, like Sine or Garcinia Cambogia, can interact with certain meds or cause discomfort, impacting your weight loss transformation. In this chapter, we've uncovered 5 shocking facts about all-day slimming tea. Its roots in a natural, longevity-inspired recipe from Costa Rica, the bold promise of a 51% metabolism boost and up to 45 pounds of weight loss, the potential side effects like mild diarrhea from Sine, the high demand and marketing tactics that create urgency, and the mixed results from real users that show it's not a one-size-fits-all solution for losing weight. It's not a magic fix. Think of it as a helpful tool, like a ladder to climb a wall, but you still need to take the steps yourself with diet and exercise, perhaps inspired by an Indian weight loss diet. With the 60-day guarantee, it's low risk to see if it works for you on your weight loss journey, so you can try it without worrying about wasting your money. Give it a fair shot, and you might just find your new weight loss ally. Click the official link in the description to grab your all-day slimming tea at a discount and start your weight loss transformation today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.